All right, so now let's talk about what types of products sell the best and what types of products will actually make you the most amount of money. Services and courses, anything that doesn't really have a physical product will offer the best commission plans. I mean, it makes a lot of sense, right? Like when you have a lot of overhead, when you have a lot of fixed product costs, you just can't really offer affiliates that big of a commission. However, when you have, let's say, a course that sells for $500 and each copy of that course literally costs you, $0 extra, then you can afford to pay affiliates a lot of money. And I know that a lot of courses, they will pay affiliates up to like 50, 60, even 70% commissions. One thing that really separates the people that make not too much money from affiliate marketing and those that make a lot of money from affiliate marketing is the types of products and brands that they work with. You absolutely just have to find the high paying programs, because in any industry, there are affiliate programs which aren't good, and there are affiliate programs which are really good. So once you find those high paying affiliate programs and you pair that with making really valuable and targeted content, that is when you can really scale your affiliate marketing business and make over 6 figures per year.